Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change Crosshair in Counter-Strike 2. If you want to do it manually, launch the CS2 and go to the Settings menu. Click on Game from the Settings options, then select Crosshair from the Game Settings menu. Adjust the various customization settings to modify your crosshair to your preference. You can change the size, color, thickness, and more to suit your freestyle or playstyle. And if you want to use a crosshair of a professional CS2 player, just look up for a code for the crosshair on Google, then go to Settings, Game, Crosshair, then find the share or import. Just paste the code, copy it, and confirm. Your crosshair will now match the chosen professional player's setup. Now you're all set with your new crosshair. Enjoy a more personalized CS2 experience. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.